What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Alright, guys, it's Baba Friday, so let's take a look at how's the most beloved Chinese stock doing. So if you guys want to see more Baba, I might do it 2 times a week or even 3 times a week. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm here to put out what people want to see the most. So if you guys want to see more Baba, you guys gotta let me know. So let's see what happened since last week Friday. It was right around high 80s, low 90s, and it finally came back inside that range pattern. I'll go over in a second. So let's go over the short-term price action first. So it looks like Baba was range bound for a few months, several months, finally broke out of it. So this was the range pattern. You can see it's going sideways, had a failed breakout on the bottom, led to a breakout on the top, and this time price could not get back in the range, and then immediately led to a rally higher. So that's a good sign. That's a strong bullish sign that we're staying above the range. We need to stay outside the range if price does want to continue higher. But the bad news is that price did break this trend line right here, just barely. It looks like it's trying to get back above it, but it might not be able to. We'll have to wait and see. But it did break this trend line, so that's not a good sign. So what price is probably trying to do is get back inside this orange range in a bigger type of pattern. For example, you can see that price tried to get back in that orange range in a small pattern or a small correction. Now it's trying to do a big correction. So we could see, something similar take place. And if it stays outside that orange range, it will lead to a bigger leg up higher. So all this is one large leg right over here. Or you can consider that this is all one leg right here, and we saw a drop. This is the second leg, targeting right around the $94 level, as long as we stay above the 78. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, if we see a bigger correction play out, maybe something like this, and we stay above the orange range, we can see another large push up higher. So overall, still bullish. It looks like the trend is reversing higher. Short term is neutral to bearish because we have this large sell-off, but overall this is a very good strong sign to the upside. So most likely, as long as we stay above the $77, $78 level, there's a high probability price will continue to trend up higher. So let's take a look at a little bit more zoomed out view of Baba. I like to take anything that would influence the current price action. So let's take a look at that right now, and you can see that if you zoom out a little bit further, price did get back inside this very large yellow range. So price action works on smaller and larger and smaller time frames. So just like we had a orange range, in a small pig version, we have a big range right over here, just visualized by this yellow drawing. So you see that price re-entered that yellow range, which is a bullish sign, and it looks like it's bouncing from the lows of it. So as long as this maintains support, there's a high probability price will continue trending up higher. Price did break this long-term downtrend right here. You see that the downtrend was a thorn in the side of Baba investors for quite a long time. Finally broke it decisively. Get back inside that yellow range, which is another bullish sign. So all this looks very good. We did break that short-term downtrend, but again, it's just barely, so it's trying to get back above it. So overall, still bullish. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. What do I see on the weekly chart? Well, price did hit the all-time lows. It could be a triple bottom. It looks like it can be because we had a double bottom right over here, and we just retested the lows back over here in November 2022, and we got back inside that yellow range. So it looks pretty good. Price was kind of making equal lows, lower highs. Finally broke up, back above the EMA after a long time. Back above the $80 level after a long time. It looks like it's trying to maintain support above it. And again, if we see momentum continue to push up higher, you can clearly see the next targets. This level right over here, this dashed line, which coincides with these double tops, right? With this double top over here at the $100 level, so triple digits, and then the top of the yellow range at the 121. So again, looking very bullish as of right now for Baba. I think we're going to see, liquidity continue to pump into these Chinese stocks, especially Baba. So looking pretty good. Now, again, nothing's guaranteed in the markets. What would invalidate this is that we get back below this yellow range. So imagine if price just dumped below this yellow range and it cannot get above any higher. That will lead to more downside. But as right now, is most likely going to not do that, and most likely is going to continue to find support here and then continue to push up higher. So all I have for Baba this week, Friday. If you guys want to see more updates of Baba, maybe like a Wednesday and Friday, or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. That's all I have for Bob on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.